There are a total of 390 pre-painted iron sheets were recovered from the home of A1's mother. That a total of 390 pre-painted iron sheets were recovered from the homes of A1's mother, 89 iron sheets, her brother A3 Naboya Kitutu Michael, 31 iron sheets, her nephew Wabwire Julius, 230 iron sheets, and that of Musuya Lois. OPM delivery note / issue vouchers.
Office of the Primary Notice Bar Delivery Isbar Weyalivindu Isbar Isbar.
Internal memo from Abaho Joshua to Undersecretary / Accounting Officer dated 8th June 2022. Internal memo of Kitutu Mary Goretti Chimono dated 12th October 2022. Stores requisition and approval voucher dated 24th January 2023. Ledger book extracts. Handwriting expert report dated 15th May 2023.
Report yomuntu handwriting dated around 2023.
Digital forensic report dated 17th April 2023.
Digital reporting dated
submission of the list of beneficiaries for Community Empowerment Program dated 22nd March 2022.
Submit the list here about the beneficiaries of the program dated
proposal for disarmament, pacification and peace building in Karamoja region, cabinet memo. Minutes of the 20th Senior Top Management Committee meeting of the Office of the Prime Minister held on Tuesday, 1st February 2021 in the Prime Minister's main boardroom. Notes from both Integrated Steel Mills Uganda Limited and Roofing Rolling Mills Limited. Distribution list of iron sheets to ministers, LC5 chairpersons and mayors, MPs of Karamoja region, Bugisu MPs dated 15th October 2022. Cooperative Saving and Credit Society dated 16th May 2023. I'm thinking it's 2023. Government of Uganda approved warrant report dated 5th April 2023. Internal audit report dated 20th February 2023. And any other documents with leave of court. Whereupon prosecution shall contend that the accused persons have no lawful excuse for her action and pray that each of them be convicted as indicted. That last sentence. So in the circumstance, accused persons are now committed for their trial by the High Court Anti-Corruption Division on a date and time that is convenient to the said High Court. The accused persons through their legal representatives shall be accordingly informed by the said High Court Division of the day when they are ready to commence the trial. Otherwise, bail is extended until you receive notification by the High Court to appear for your hearing. I hope I'm understood.
Yes, you are.